Hello. Thank you for calling Zoomix. My name is Sarah. Today is Sunday, July 27th, 2025 at 6 hours 16 minutes and 19 seconds p.m. CDT. May I ask what type of business you're calling from today?
Um, I'm calling for
Thank you for sharing. Could you please tell me the type of business you are calling from? This will help me provide you with the most relevant information about how Zoomix can assist you.
yeah, but before I tell you that, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Certainly,
What do you offer?
certainly. At Zoomix, we specialize in AI agents, like myself, and custom automation solutions tailored for small to mid-sized businesses. We partner with sectors such as IT operations and support, healthcare, HR, sales and marketing, and manufacturing and logistics. Our goal is to help these businesses streamline workflows, boost productivity, and achieve significant efficiency gains through intelligent AI-driven solutions. I'm actually an example of the kind of AI agent we provide to help businesses like yours. May I ask what type of business you're calling from today?
I have a retail business.
Thank you for sharing that you have a retail business. At Zoomix, while we primarily focus on sectors like IT operations, healthcare, HR, sales and marketing, and manufacturing and logistics, our AI automation solutions can also be adapted to help retail businesses streamline customer interactions, manage support, and enhance operational efficiency. If you'd like to explore how these AI solutions can specifically benefit your retail business, I can connect you with a human agent from Zoomix right now. Would you like me to do that?
Yes, please.
Great. I'll transfer you to one of our human agents immediately. Hello.
Hello.
Hello? I have a customer on the line who owns a retail business. They are interested in learning how Zoomix AI automation solutions can help streamline customer interactions, manage support, and improve operational efficiency for their retail operations. They would like to discuss this further with you.